In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to use Scalenut to write blog posts, create content fast, and boost your website ranking. Does it not sound amazing that you can do all of these with just one tool? For those who are new to this tool, what is Scalenut? Scalenut is an AI-powered SEO and content marketing platform that helps businesses create optimized content, plan keyword strategies, analyze traffic, and manage their entire content lifecycle. What are some key features of Scalenut? The key features of Scalenut include Cruise Mode for quick SEO blog creation, Keyword Planner for content strategy, Content Optimizer for SEO optimization, Traffic Analyzer for performance insights, Link Manager for automated interlinking, and AI Humanizer to detect and improve AI-generated content. Welcome to Ray Content Lab, your go-to source for tips, reviews, and insights on the best online and AI tools to help you grow and streamline your online business. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe for more valuable content that will elevate your workflow and success. How does Scalenut help with SEO? Scalenut helps with SEO by providing keyword research and planning tools, generating SEO-optimized content briefs and outlines, offering real-time SEO scoring and optimization suggestions, analyzing SERP competitors, and providing traffic insights to improve content strategy and organic rankings. Does Scalenut offer a free trial? Yes, Scalenut offers a 7-day risk-free trial for users to test out the platform before subscribing to a paid plan. How much does Scalenut cost? Scalenut offers different pricing plans, including Essential Plan, which is $19 per month, the Growth Plan, which costs $39 per month, and the Pro Plan, which is $74 per month. Who uses Scalenut? Scalenut is used by over 1 million marketers globally, including SEO strategists, content creators, executives and agencies, companies of all sizes, from small businesses to large enterprises like Adobe, Amazon, and Microsoft, use Scalenut to improve their content efforts and SERP rankings. Now, let's talk about how to use Scalenut. First of all, sign up for a Scalenut account. Go to the Scalenut website and create a free account or choose a paid plan to get started. You can follow the link in the description of this video to go to their website. Next, use the Keyword Planner. Enter your main topic or keyword to generate related keyword clusters and content ideas. Once that is done, research your topic. Use the research tool to analyze top-ranking content, get NLP key terms, and gather statistics on your topic. Now, this is where the magic happens. Create content with Cruise Mode. Use the AI-powered Cruise Mode to quickly generate an SEO-optimized article outline and draft in just a few minutes. Then, edit and optimize your content. Review the AI-generated content, make edits, and use the Content Optimizer to ensure your article is fully optimized for SEO. Once you are done with that, use the AI Humanizer. Run your content through the AI Humanizer to make it sound more natural and less AI-generated. To manage the internal links, use the Link Manager to add relevant internal links to your content and improve your site structure. Finally, it's time to analyze the traffic and performance. Use the Traffic Analyzer to track your content's performance, monitor keyword rankings, and identify optimization opportunities. Now, you see that using Scalenut is very easy and straightforward. So, what are you waiting for? Start using Scalenut to create content today. We have come to the end of today's video about how to use Scalenut. To sign up with Scalenut, follow the link to the website in the description below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content.